You just lost a trade. Your heart is pounding, your face is hot, and you're already looking for the next entry to get it back. You think your problem is your strategy. You think you need a better indicator. You're wrong. The reason you aren't at $100,000 yet is because you are addicted to being right. In the real world, being right makes you the smartest person in the room. In trading, the need to be right will leave you homeless. The secret to 6 figures isn't finding more winning trades. It's learning how to lose like a professional. If you can't master the art of being wrong, you will never master the market. Let's dive into the boring psychology of the elite 1%. Most traders treat every trade like a trial of their intelligence. If the trade hits take profit, they feel like a genius. If it hits stop loss, they feel like a failure. This is the ego trap. When your self-worth is tied to a chart, you will do crazy things. You will move your stop loss because it has to turn around eventually. You will add to a losing position to lower your average. The $100,000 trader has no ego. They don't care about being right. They care about being profitable. They know that a trade is just a statistical probability. It's not a reflection of who they are. To win big, you have to be okay with looking stupid to the market. What if I told you that you could be wrong 60% of the time and still make $100,000? It sounds like a lie, but it's just math. Professional trading is about asymmetry. You want to lose small when you're wrong and win big when you're right. Most beginners do the opposite. They take small profits because they are scared the market will take it back. Then they hold massive losses because they hope the market will return to their entry. They are right 80% of the time, but the 20% they are wrong wipes out their entire account. The boring secret: learn to love your stop loss. It's not a failure, it's insurance. Every time you revenge trade or stare at the screen for 8 hours, you are losing something more valuable than money. You are losing mental capital. Decision fatigue is real. The more decisions you make, the worse they get. The $100,000 secret is making fewer, better decisions. Think of yourself like a high-end CEO. A CEO doesn't flip burgers. They make 3 big decisions a year that move the company forward. You should be the same. If you are clicking buy and sell 50 times a day, you aren't trading. You're clicking your way to a burnout. High-level trading is 99% observation and 1% execution. Stop calling it trading and start calling it inventory management. Your capital is your inventory. Your losses are your spoiled goods. If a grocery store has milk that goes bad, the owner doesn't cry. They throw it away and move on. They don't try to convince the milk to be fresh again. When you hit a stop loss, that's just spoiled milk. Throw it out. Don't let it ruin the rest of your store. The $100,000 milestone is reached when you stop feeling pain at a loss and start seeing it as a necessary business expense. If you can't afford the rent of losing trades, you shouldn't be in the building. The best traders I know are the most boring people to talk to about the market. They don't have hunches. They don't feel like the market is going up. They have a checklist. Is the trend aligned? Check. Is the level hit? Check. Is the risk to reward 3-to-1? Check. If the boxes aren't checked, they go play golf or watch a movie. They have removed the human element. The secret to $100,000 is becoming as close to a robot as possible. Machines don't have bad days. Machines don't get angry at the news. Machines just follow the code. What is your code? Everyone wants the $100,000 tomorrow. But the market is designed to take money from the impatient and give it to the patient. When you try to get rich quick, you take too much risk. You use too much leverage. You put your account in a position where one mistake ends the game. The boring secret is compounding. If you grow an account by just 5% a month, you are a god in the financial world. It doesn't look like much on day 30. It looks like a miracle on year 3. Stop trying to hit home runs. Just stay in the game. The longer you survive, the luckier you will get. From this moment on, I want you to stop trying to be a winner. Start trying to be a disciplined loser. If you can walk away after a loss without feeling angry, you have won. If you can sit in front of the charts for 4 hours and take 0 trades because your setup didn't appear, you have won. The $100,000 isn't a prize for being smart. It's a reward for being the most disciplined person in the room. The market is a mirror. It shows you exactly who you are. If you don't like the results, change the person in the mirror. Check out this powerful video here to learn more.